లోక్సభలో జీఎస్టీ బిల్లులపై జరుగుతున్న చర్చలో భాగంగా ఆర్థిక మంత్రి జైట్లీ మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. ప్రత్యక్ష ప్రసారం ద్వారా చూద్దాం.
Regional parties, including West Bengal government and regional states, were very particular on the sharing of this power with the states itself and did not want center to exclusively have this power. So notwithstanding a view which was taken by the IRS, we decided by a unanimous consensus to divide the sharing of that power itself. You've raised a question with regard to the authority of the CAG. This issue was discussed at length in the council. No, it was there in the draft. In fact, the CAG at one stage was of the view that that power must be mentioned here. The council took an alternative view. जो CAG की अथॉरिटी है वो संविधान में से आती है और CAG के एक्ट में से आती है, वो टैक्सेशन लॉ में से नहीं आती. किसी भी टैक्सेशन लॉ में CAG को टैक्सेशन लॉ के तहत पावर नहीं मिलता. I then had a meeting with the current CAG and I conveyed to him the views that your authority remains unchallenged or unchanged, but your source of your authority is the Constitution, as also the provisions of the Act itself, of the CAG Act, and that jurisdiction remains. और therefore हर टैक्सेशन लॉ में CAG को सेपरेटली एम्पावर करें इसकी आवश्यकता नहीं है. एक विषय बार बार उठा कि इस कानून में एग्रीकल्चरिस्ट को डिफाइन करने की क्या आवश्यकता थी. एग्रीकल्चरिस्ट को डिफाइन करने की यह आवश्यकता थी कि आपने सेक्शन 23 में एग्रीकल्चरिस्ट को रजिस्ट्रेशन से एग्जेम्प्ट किया है. क्योंकि उसको एग्जेम्प्ट किया है इसलिए परिभाषा में आना कि कौन है कौन नहीं है, विस्तृत चर्चा के बाद इस परिभाषा के ऊपर चर्चा हुई और यह फॉर्मुलेशन बना.
कि ये कल्टीवेटर लिखा है, पोल्ट्री, डेयरी, ये भी एग्रीकल्चरिस्ट की काम है.
देखिए उसमें
शेयर क्रॉप के बारे में बिल्कुल चर्चा ही नहीं हुआ है.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं
और
है.
ये एक एक्ट है इन वेस्ट बंगाल कि कौन शेयर क्रॉपर हो सकता है और इस हिसाब से बैंक से उनको लोन भी मिलता है. एंड इट इज वन ऑफ द यूनिक लॉ विच शुड बी अडॉप्टेड इन अदर स्टेट्स ऑल्सो. एंड इसमें ज्यादा दिक्कतें पंजाब में होगा, हमारे हरियाणा में होगा, ये तेलंगाना में होगा. मैं आई एम नॉट मेंशनिंग अबाउट बिहार एंड यूपी, बट दिस विल बी ए ग्रेटर कॉज ऑफ कंसर्न. दैट इज ए ग्रेटर कॉज ऑफ कंसर्न.
उसको एग्जेप्ट नहीं किया जाएगा. दूसरा, कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी है, हमारे नजूल लैंड होती है, गरीब लोग कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी के जरिए जमीन चलाते हैं, काम चलाते हैं. तो अगर कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी को एग्जेप्ट नहीं किया जाएगा तो फिर तो गरीब लोगों पे ये बोझ पड़ जाएगा. लीज वाले को भी क्लैरिफिकेशन चाहते हैं
कि the definition is there only for the purposes of exemption from registration. If you now look at section 2(7) and look at the definition, it says by own labor, by labor of family, by servants on wages payable in cash or kind, or hired labor under personal supervision और पर्सनल सुपरविजन ऑफ एनी मेंबर ऑफ द फैमिली. सो आपने अगर किसी को लेबर के नाम पे हायर किया हुआ है कॉन्ट्रैक्ट के ऊपर और दिया हुआ है, लेकिन इसका यह अर्थ नहीं कि जो दूसरे एग्रीकल्चरल प्रोडक्ट्स मानते हैं जिनका आप जिक्र कर रहे हैं उन पे टैक्स लगेगा. दे प्रोबेबली स्टिल विल बी जीरो रेटेड. Therefore, the council, when it decided on this definition, उसके पीछे उद्देश्य यह है कि इनमें से ये जो अधिकतर प्रोडक्ट्स जिसका आप जिक्र कर रहे हैं ये केवल रजिस्ट्रेशन के प्रावधान के संदर्भ में परिभाषा है. वो प्रोडक्ट अभी भी जीरो रेटेड रह सकते हैं, इसकी पूरी संभावना आप उस दृष्टि से मानिए. और इस देखिए, मुझे लगता है कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं है, प्लीज कोई उसमें कंफ्यूजन नहीं है, क्योंकि वो जीरो रेटेड उसमें वो रहने वाले हैं. ये केवल आपने जैसे सर्विस
Yes. Question of exemption comes of the agriculturists only when you have to distinguish between agriculturist and agriculturist. That gives room for the discretion of an officer. Why should they register at all? Till it comes to the mandi. I don't think, you need to touch the agriculturist.
Mohali Sahab, I hate to disagree with you on every point today.
I think there is a lot of confusion which is created.
There is no confusion. The confusion is only in your mind.
Total
Because
distortion.
once the
And this is an
council
instrument to harass
takes a view, sir, once the council takes a view that agricultural production is going to be zero rated, where is the question of any compensation or discretion to an officer? So are you presuming? Now look at the, I am sorry to say, look at the kind of state. Are you now presuming that 29 states, 2 union territories and central government all collectively have conspired to harass a particular section, which includes 8 chief finance ministers of your party? Now don't take.
Please.
No, you should discuss it. You should discuss it. But don't read into a provision. Don't read into a provision something which doesn't exist.
हो गया ना आपका पॉइंट कैंसिल हो गया प्लीज he has answered no nothing now nothing will go on record like this yes minister to continue yes
argue. This kind of an argument we cannot buy.
Yes.
Madam, I was referring to the banking provision with regard to exemption from multiple registration. There is an overriding power under section 148, clause 148, which is there. Mr. Galla raised this issue of the difference between may or shall in the matter of payment of compensation to the states. It's already a part of the Constitution amendment itself. And therefore, there is no discretion. And this is collectively to be decided by the Council. So I don't think there is any scope for any apprehension on that score that may will give a discretion whether to pay or not to pay. The Council has adequately gone into this question and come to this conclusion. Now, as far as the rates are concerned, the rates are recommended. The central government only has a ministerial job of notifying the rates. The central government does not decide the rates. Under clause 166, all the rules and regulations which are going to be framed are placed before Parliament, and therefore there is a parliamentary control as far as subordinate legislation is concerned. So one question has been raised as to why the state of Jammu and Kashmir has been kept out. Jammu और कश्मीर को इसलिए बाहर रखा है क्योंकि वहाँ की जो संवैधानिक व्यवस्था है, केंद्र का कानून उन पे लागू नहीं होता। लेकिन जम्मू और कश्मीर में उनको अपना एक्ट अलग से बनाना पड़ेगा, जो कि उस व्यवस्था को केंद्र की व्यवस्था के साथ इंटीग्रेट कर देगा, ताकि उनको भी इनपुट क्रेडिट्स का उनके उपभोक्ताओं को या उनके मैन्युफैक्चरर्स को लाभ मिलता रहे। और इसलिए जो पावर टू इशू डायरेक्शन एंड क्लैरिफिकेशंस है, उसके तहत इस प्रावधान को हम तब करेक्ट कर देंगे जब कश्मीर की विधानसभा उसको बनाएगी कि ये जम्मू कश्मीर को भी लागू होगा। दैट देन कैन बी करेक्टेड अंडर द पावर टू मेक द क्लैरिफिकेशन इटसेल्फ। I have explained with regard to the petroleum products also. Broadly, these are some of the important questions which have been raised. Sir, the Council is going to be, as I said, a permanent body. And that permanent body is represented by almost every state government, literally represented by every state government. It has a political complexion which accommodates everyone. And it has been our conscious effort to make sure that all decisions are taken by consensus, and that's a formula which we have followed so far, and that is why these drafts have been unanimously prepared by the Council. And I would therefore, Madam, through you, commend to this Honourable House that these unanimously prepared drafts should be taken into consideration and approved as they have been approved.
Now, please. Now, item number 15. Please, बैठिए ना. Item number 15. The question is that the bill be taken into consideration. Those in favor may say aye. Those against may say no. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. The motion for consideration of the bill is adopted. The House will now take up clause by clause consideration of the bill. The question is that clauses 2 and 3 do stand part of the bill. Those in favor may say aye. Those against may say no. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. Clauses 2 and 3 stand part of the bill. N.K. Premchandran to move amendment number 13 and 14.
Madam, I'm not moving amendment number 13 and 14.
Thank you. The question is that clauses 4 to 6 do stand part of the bill. Those in favor may say aye. Those against may say no. I think the ayes have it. Ayes have it. Clauses 4 to 6 stands part of the bill. Veerappa Moily to move amendment number 4. No? Yes.
Madam Speaker, yes, I am moving the amendment proposed by me, and also Sri K.C. Venugopal and Raju. Read the amendment. Yeah.
No.
The
Amendment
page 5, line 1, government may,
okay.
on the recommendation of the council by notification.
The question is, no, you need not read it out. It is circulated.
All right. And substitute, government may, on the recommendation of the council and as passed by the parliament.
The question,
As passed by the parliament. You are taking
question is that amendment number 4 moved by Sri.
Ultimately, the members will be, suppose you vote for it,
Question is
I
that
think this will be the
amendment number
last.
4 moved by Sri M. Veerappa Moily be adopted. Those in favor may say aye. Those against may say no. I think the noes have it. The noes.
For division. Asking for division.
Yes, let the lobbies be clear. Clear? Yes, lobbies are clear. Padenge. Okay, lobbies are cleared now. Secretary General.
Kind attention of honourable members is invited to the following points in the operation of automatic vote recording system. Before a division starts, every honourable member should occupy his or her own seat and operate the system from that seat only. When the Honourable Speaker says, now division, the Secretary General will activate the voting button, whereupon red bulbs above the display boards on both sides of the Honourable Speaker's chair will glow and a gong sound will be heard simultaneously. For voting, Honourable members may kindly press the following two buttons simultaneously only after the sound of the gong, and I repeat, only after the sound of the gong. These two buttons are the red button in front of every honourable member on the head of the phone plate, and any one of the following buttons which are fixed on the top of the desk of the seat, which are green, red and yellow in colour, green for eyes, red for nose and yellow for abstain. It is essential to keep both the buttons pressed till the second gong is heard and the red bulbs above the plasma display are switched off. Honourable members may kindly note that the votes will not be registered if the buttons are kept pressed before the first gong sounds, or if both buttons are not kept simultaneously pressed till the second gong. Honourable members can actually see their votes on the display boards installed on either side of the Honourable Speaker's chair and in the TV screens in front of them. In case the vote is not registered, Honourable members may call for the voting through slips.
Yes. Now the question is that amendment number 4 moved by Sri Veerappa Moili be adopted. Those in favour may say aye. Those against may say no. Now the division.
For division, madam.
बोल दिया। इन्होंने भी सोनिया जी का भी गलत है करने।
Read the
Yes. Please, please, please. Subject to correction, the result of the division is ayes 46, noes 246. Amendment number 4 to clause 7 is negative. The question is that clauses 7 and 8 do stand part of the bill. Those in favour may say aye. Those against may say no. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. Clauses 7 and 8 stands part of the bill. Shri B. Mehta, Bhattacharya ji, to move amendment number 1 move kar rahe? Are you moving?
No. I am moving amendment in compensation to states, not in CGST. Not in CGST.
Number 1. How? Huh?
Number 1.
Number 1 you are not moving.
On C&AG I am not moving after the clarification
yes.
of the Finance Minister.
So, the amendment, Veerappa Moili ji, amendment number 5 and 6, moving? No?
Of course, the same principle which I have initiated already. I am not happy about the reply. It's not satisfactory, not convincing. Anyway, I am not moving that.
You are not moving. Not moving. Then Adhir Chaudhary ji, moving. Number 15.
Madam, just a clarification, madam. Madam, the basic.
Are you moving?
Yes, I am moving. The basic tenets of our constitution.
What is it?
The basic tenets of our constitution is the supremacy of parliament over the executive. But here, in this legislation, that power has been abdicating.
Okay. So, not moving.
No taxation without representation should be the basic feature of our
are
constitution.
you moving or not? That
Article 265.
Yeah, he is moving.
Yes, I am moving.
Moving, okay. The question is that amendment number 15 moved by Sri Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary be adopted. Those in favour may say aye. Those against may say no. I think the noes noes have it, the noes have it, the amendment is negative. The question is that clause 9 do stand part of the bill. Those in favor may say aye. Those against may say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it. Clause 9 stands part of the bill. Adhir Ranjan ji, amendment number 16 and 17. Moving?
Madam.
You are moving?
Yes,
or
I am
what?
moving. I am moving. Madam, just for clarification.
No.
I have not.
The question is that amendment number 16 and 17 moved by Sri Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary be adopted. Those in favor may say aye. Those against may say no. I think the noes have it, the noes have it. The amendments are negative. The question is that clause 10 do stand part of the bill. Those in favor may say aye. Those against may say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it. Clause 10 stands part of the bill. Prem Chandran ji, amendment number 18, moving. Whether you are moving or not, please don't speak now. Everybody.
Not moving, madam.
Thank you. The question is that clauses 11 to 15 do stand part of the bill. Those in favor may say aye. Those against may say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it. Clauses 11 to 15 stands part of the bill. Bharturari Mehtab ji, amendment number 2.
I'm moving the amendment number 2.
2. Saugadda, क्या हो गया? अभी नहीं. The question is that amendment number 2 moved by Sri Bharturari Mehtab ji be adopted. Those in favor may say aye. Those against may say no. I think the noes have it, the noes have it. The amendment is negative. Okay. Let the lobby be open. बाद में अब डिवीजन मत मांगो, लॉबी ओपन करो. चलो. The question is that clauses 16 to 24 do stand part of the bill. Those in favor may say aye. Those against may say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it. Clauses 16 to 24 stands part of the bill. Prem Chandran ji, moving. Amendment number 19.
Yes, madam, moving.
Not
moving.
The question is that amendment number 19 moved by Sri N.K. Prem Chandran be adopted. Those in favor may say aye. Those against may say no. I think the noes have it, the noes have it. The amendment is negative. The question is that clauses 25 to 34 do stand part of the bill. Those in favor may say aye. Those against may say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it. Clauses 25 to 34 stands part of the bill. M.B. Rajesh, amendment number 7 and 8, moving.
Madam, as per the as per the provision, only a registered person needs to keep books of account. But a person liable to be registered, but who has not taken registration cannot subsequently contend that he is not liable to keep true and correct accounts.
The question is that amendment number 7 and 8 moved by Sri M.B. Rajesh be adopted. Those in favor may say aye. Those against may say no. I think the noes have it, the noes have it. The amendments are negative. The question is that clauses 35 to 59 do stand part of the bill. Those in favor may say aye. Those against may say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it. Clauses 35 to 59 stands part of the bill. Jitendra Reddy is not there.